Yes, this is Bipin Babu, Bipin Chaudhary, and this story is set in Calcutta. And it was his habit to buy books, and he used to read ghost stories, thrillers, novel, and in a week he buy uh, 5 books. Okay, and he come to this bookstore's owner's shop. His name is Kalicharan, and just then he seen observed that a man was looking at him closely. This is the man, and his name is Parimal Ghosh. And it is written in the downward of the picture that he told Parimal Ghosh that in 1958 they met in Ranchi, and his name is Parimal Ghosh. Then Bipin Babu was surprised that he had planned many times to go to Ranchi, but he was never successful. His plan was not successful. He never went there. So he became confused. He was puzzled. He ignored the man and came out of the store, and just told his driver Sitaram to take him by the Gangar side road. And he was going from that side, and he was recalling if he ever went to Ranchi. Then uh, he he remembered that he in 58 in October he was with his friend, and his name was Haridas, and he went there for a puja in Kanpur. But that man gave him so clues, so many evidence, so many proof that he was still thinking about. Okay, then in the car he tried to see the injury mark on his leg, because that man, uh, Parimal Ghosh, he told him that you fell down in Ranchi and you had a cut mark, or you can say injury mark on your right knee. And on the way, you can see in the picture, Bipin Chaudhary, he rolled his trouser. He rolled his trouser and wanted to confirm. You can see, and when he rolled up his trouser, he found that there was a cut mark. Then he tried to remember, was this a cut mark of childhood or 7 years back? He could not remember anything. He got more puzzled. He get confused, puzzled, astonished. He wanted to know if he went to Ranchi in actual, or it just that man was mistaken. He was doing any prank with him. Okay. Then Bipin Babu suddenly thought of, we were reading this, then Bipin Babu suddenly thought of Dinesh Mukherjee. Dinesh Mukherjee के बारे में याद आया उसको, because that man Parimal Ghosh told him that you stayed with Dinesh Mukherjee in his Bangalore, and because you did not like hotel food and you wanted bawarchi cooked or cook the food cooked by a cook, you liked that food, and you had a argument with Dinesh Mukherjee over there on the landing of moon. Okay, so he thought that he should ask Dinesh Mukherjee about his visit to Ranchi. Maybe he could remember, maybe he could remind him. So first of all, he thought to go to his house, but then he thought that it would be ridiculous. I think we have read that it could be ridiculous. Ridiculous means funny, and his friend Dinesh Mukherjee will think that he has gone crazy, he has become mad, meaning is given going nut. That he will think that Bipin Babu has become a nut. He has become crazy. Okay, so he dropped the idea of visiting Dinesh Mukherjee. Then let's see what happened then. And he knew, यहाँ से start कर रहा हूँ बेटा, पेज नंबर 64. आप कहाँ पे कह रहे थे बेटा? 63 पे. ये तो हो गया था बेटा 63 कंप्लीट. 64 पे चले. वर्णिका यहाँ तक कर चुके थे हम, 63 तक कंप्लीट. इंजरी मार्क तो पढ़ चुके थे हम.
Yes, sir.
64 से स्टार्ट.
Yes, sir.
ये मैंने इन्फो आपको डिटेल बता दी है। चलो मैं तो थोड़ा सा दोबारा कर देते हैं ये, कि जब वो ही थॉट अबाउट विजिटिंग 64 बिगिनिंग से करते हैं बेटा, वैसे पढ़ चुके हैं, 64 बिगिनिंग से करते हैं। इसको मैं थोड़ा स्क्रॉल करता हूँ। He tried to remember if had he ever never had a fall as a boy, when he was a boy, and maybe this cut sign off at the time of boy when he was in his childhood. He tried to recall such an incident, but he could not. Then Bipin Babu suddenly thought of Dinesh Mukherjee. He thought of which character? Dinesh Mukherjee. The man had said that Dinesh was in Ranchi at the same time. The best thing surely would be to ask him. He lived quite near in Beni Nandan Street. So Dinesh, Bipin Babu, Bipin Chaudhary, he decided to go to Dinesh Mukherjee's house, because Parimal Ghosh told him that you stayed with Dinesh Mukherjee and he used to live quite near in Beni Nandan Street. What about going right now? So Bipin Babu is thinking, why should not I go right now? But then, if he had really never been to Ranchi, what would Dinesh think if Bipin Babu asked for a confirmation? If he asked for confirmation, what would Dinesh think? He would probably conclude Bipin Babu was going nut. हो सकता है कि वो कंक्लूड कर ले, ये आइडिया लगाए कि बेपिन बाबू तो सठिया गया है, ही इज गोइंग टू बिकम क्रेजी नट, मीनिंग की दिया हुआ है, गोइंग नट मीन्स गोइंग मैड, ही इज गोइंग बिकमिंग क्रेजी। इसको 6-7 साल पुरानी घटना भी याद नहीं है। नो, इट वुड बी रिडिकुलस टू आस्क हिम, उससे पूछना तो मेरा मजाक बन जाएगा। रिडिकुलस मीन्स फनी, ओके, ह्यूमिलिएटिंग, ही विल फील ह्यूमिलिएटेड, उसकी इंसल्ट हो जाएगी। एंड ही न्यू हाउ रूथलेस दिनेश सरकाजम। फिर उसने सोचा कि दिनेश सरकाजम कुड बी, उसके जो सरकाजम थे वो कितने रूथलेस हो सकते हैं। रूथलेस मीन्स विदाउट एनी पिटी, फुल ऑफ एंगर। सरकाजम देखा आपने, कोई जो टोंट मारता है किसी के ऊपर। यहाँ तक क्लियर है बेटा? आगे चलें, अगर यहाँ तक क्लियर है तो यस लिखें चैट बॉक्स में। और आई थिंक बुक सबकी ओपन है। अभी मैं एक बच्चे को अनम्यूट करूंगा और I will tell him or her to read. Who would like to read? Raise your hand. Charu has raised her hand. Okay. I think यहाँ तक clear है सबको? I think it's clear up to now. 4 participants has raised their hand. मोलिसा, अंशु, मन्नत, चारू पता नहीं कहाँ चली गई हैंड रेज करके। ओके बेटा मोलिसा, आप अनम्यूट करें अपने आप को। अंशु और मन्नत तो आप बोल भी चुके हैं, आज इन्होंने स्टोरी ब्रीफ में बताई है, इनको मैं बाद में चांस दूंगा। हाँ जी बेटा मोलिसा, अभी तो बहुत सारे हैंड हो गए हैं। युक्ति, यश, मितन, चारू। ओके बेटा मोलिसा आप अनम्यूट हैं, आप रीड करें यहाँ से। सिपिंग ए कोल्ड ड्रिंक, यहाँ से स्टार्ट करें।
How ruthless Dinesh's sarcasm could be. Sipping a cold drink in his air-conditioned living room, Bipin Babu felt at ease again. Such a nuisance. Just because they have nothing else to do, they go about getting into other people's hair. After dinner, snuggling in bed with one of the new thrillers, Bipin Babu forgot all about the man in Newmarket. Next day, in the office, Bipin Babu noticed that with every passing hour, the previous day's encounter was occupying more and more of his mind. If the man knew so much about Bipin Babu, how could he make such a mistake about the Ranchi trip? Just before...
Okay, beta, wait. Molisha, stop. Stop, beta. It's enough. And he knew how ruthless Dinesh sarcasm could be. Ruthless means without any pity. His sarcasm could be very cruel. Ruthless means cruel. He was not sympathetic, kind. Sarcasm means taunt. उसके जो taunt होंगे वो मुझे taunt मारेगा, जोक करेगा, मेरे ऊपर प्रैंक करेगा, आयरनी पुट करेगा कि आपको इतना भी नहीं, आप इतने भुलक्कड़ हो आप। Sipping a cold drink in his air-conditioned living room. So now Bipin Babu reached his home, and when he was sitting in his living room, drawing room, in his air-conditioned drawing room, AC was on, and he was sipping a cold drink. Bipin Babu felt at ease. Felt at ease means he was feeling comfortable. Such a nuisance. Nuisance होता है troublesome person. You can say troublesome, or you can say its meaning a person or a thing causing inconvenience. एक ऐसी वस्तु जो आपको inconvenience कर रही है या फिर annoyance कर रही है, आपको तंग कर रही है, that is called nuisance. Just because they had nothing else to do, they go about getting into other people's hair. Its meaning is given other people's hair in your book also. He's thinking that some people, they don't have something to do, that's why they interfere with others and annoy other people. Its meaning is given in your books in the side by. So he's saying that some people have habit of interfering in others' matters. After dinner, snuggling in bed with one of the nude thriller, Bipin Babu forget all about the man in New Market. So after dinner, when he was snuggling in bed, snuggling means again he was comfortable in his warm bed. He was sitting there with comfortable, and he was reading one of his new thriller, a book of novel full of romance, and suspense. Bipin Babu forgot all about the man in the New Market. Who was the man in the New Market? Yukti will tell the answer of this question. Name the man who was in the New Market. Yes. Who was the man? Yukti. Yukti, who was the man? Do you know? Okay, Yukti. No, he was परिमल घोष. न्यू मार्केट में परिमल घोष ने उससे बात की थी ना, उसको ऑब्जर्व किया था. दिनेश से तो मिलने जाना चाहता था, बट ही ड्रॉप द आइडिया, क्योंकि वो उसको जो है he will make prank of him, उसका मजाक उड़ाएगा. तो his name was परिमल घोष, the man who met him in New Market at कालीचरण बुक स्टोर. ओके, उस व्यक्ति के बारे में सोच रहा है, उसके बारे में भूल गया. नेक्स्ट डे इन द ऑफिस, Bipin Babu noticed that with every passing hour, the previous day's encounter was occupying more and more of his mind. Next day in the office, when he reached the office next day, Bipin Babu was still worried. With every passing hour of the previous day's encounter, here encounter means face-to-face meeting or unexpected meeting. उसका आमना सामना हुआ था ना परिमल घोष के साथ कालीचरण की बुक स्टोर पे, तो वहां जो उसका सामना हुआ था उसके बारे में भूल गया था. बट अब जो है ऑफिस में उसको दोबारा उसकी याद आ रही थी. ही वाज रिमाइंडिंग, उसको मन में दोबारा फिर वही ख्याल आ रहे थे. इफ द मैन न्यू सो मच अबाउट Bipin Babu, हाउ कुड ही मेक सच ए मिस्टेक अबाउट द ट्रिप. अगर वो Bipin Babu के बारे में इतनी सारी बातें जानता है, तो रांची के बारे में भी कुछ सच्ची बता रहा होगा. उसने बहुत सारे क्लू दिए ना उसकी पर्सनल लाइफ के बारे में, that your wife died 10 years ago, your brother also died due to insanity, and you live alone, you had no children. So through all these evidences, through all these proofs, he thought that maybe he's telling truth. So all these thoughts were coming to his mind. Okay, now I am going to unmute one more student, and Charu has raised her hand earlier. Charu did not get chance at that time. Okay, Charu, unmute yourself and read from here just before lunch time.
Just before.
Yes, keep on reading.
Just before lunch, Bipin Babu decided to ring up Dinesh Mukherjee. It was better to settle the question over the phone. At least the embarrassment on his face wouldn't show. 235616. Bipin Babu dialed the number. Hello, is that Dinesh? This is Bipin here. Well, what's the news? I just wanted to find out if you recalled an incident which took place in 58.
Okay, beta, stop. Good. Just before lunch, Bipin Babu decided to ring up Dinesh Mukherjee. Ring up means to make phone call. It was better to settle the question over the phone. He wanted to clarify his doubt over through phone, because at least the embarrassment on his face would not show. अगर वो फेस टू फेस मिलता दिनेश मुखर्जी से, तो उसके चेहरे पे जो embarrassment होती, जो embarrassment means फीलिंग इंसल्टेड, जो वो इंसल्टेड महसूस करता, फीलिंग ऑफ सेल्फ कि इसकी याददाश्त तो बहुत कमजोर है, ऑन हिज फेस, उसके चेहरे की जो एम्बैरेसमेंट थी ना, इंसल्ट थी, जो ह्यूमिलिएशन थी, ह्यूमिलिएशन होता है बेटा इंसल्ट महसूस करना, वो नहीं दिखाई देती। इंसल्टेड, यस राइट युक्ति, फीलिंग इंसल्टेड उसके चेहरे से दिख जाता है ना, जो व्यक्ति की इंसल्ट हो जाती है। 235616 Bipin Babu dialed the number. Hello, is that Dinesh? Is Bipin here? Well, what's the news? I just wanted to find out if you recalled an incident which took place in 58. He told him that, do you know the incident which took place in 58? Let's move further. Let me scroll the page. Okay, तो आपको याद है 58 में कौन सी घटना हुई थी? तो बिपिन बाबू, सॉरी, दिनेश मुखर्जी कहते 58, व्हाट इंसिडेंट, वर यू इन कलकत्ता राइट थ्रू दैट ईयर? वो उससे पूछते हैं कि आप उस साल कोलकाता में थे? दैट्स द फर्स्ट थिंग आई हैव गोट टू नो। ये आई वांट टू कंफर्म इट। वेट जस्ट ए मिनट, 58, जस्ट लेट मी चेक इन माय डायरी। फॉर ए मिनट देयर वाज साइलेंस। Bipin Babu could feel that his heartbeat had gone up. He was sweating a little. So for 1 minute there was, you can say, silence. So because Dinesh Mukherjee, he was consulting, he was checking his diary. You know, sometimes people write in their diary the incident which took place. Then he told that at the time Bipin Babu was feeling nervous. He was sweating. Okay, perspiring. Hello, yes, I got it. I have been out twice. Where? Once in February, nearby to Krishna Nagar, to a nephew's wedding. So Dinesh Mukherjee told him that he went out 2 times in the year, once in February to a nearby to Krishna Nagar to a nephew's wedding. And then, but you would know about this one, the trip to Ranchi. He told him that the second one is trip to Ranchi. You must know about it. आपको भी पता होगा इसके बारे में। You must know about it. तो वो कहता है कि आपको भी पता होगा इसके बारे में। That's all. But what is all this sleuthing about? Sleuthing meaning given to you on your book also. कहते हैं कि हाँ, but आप ये investigation क्यों कर रहे हो? Sleuthing means investigation about the event. No, I just wanted to, anyway, thanks. Bipin Babu slammed the receiver down and gripped his head with his hands. Bipin Babu slammed the receiver means put the receiver with great noise loudly there, and he gripped his head with his hands. He was feeling nervous again. He was feeling anxious. टेंशन में आ गए दोबारा कि ये तो सच कह रहा है कि मैं गया था रांची और मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा, कहीं मैं पागल तो नहीं हो गया। He felt his head swimming. उसे लगा कि उसका हेड स्विम कर रहा है, मीन्स he was feeling giddy. He was feeling dizziness, giddiness. सिर चकराता है ना जैसे, उसे कहते हैं हेड स्विमिंग। A chill seemed to spread over his body. उसके शरीर में एक सिरन सी दौड़ गई। जैसे होता है ना कि when you are feeling nervous and a chilled wave run through your spine, आपकी स्पाइन में से, बैकबोन में से एक लहर सी दौड़ जाती है। There were sandwiches in his tiffin box. He has brought sandwiches in his tiffin box, but he did not eat them. He had lost his appetite. उसकी भूख प्यास खत्म हो गई थी। Appetite here means hunger, feeling of hunger. Just like whenever we are hungry, we have appetite. हमें भूख लगती है। फीलिंग ऑफ हंगर इज कॉल्ड एपेटाइट, भूख लगना। उसकी भूख प्यास खत्म हो गई। ओके, शैल वी मूव फर्दर, आगे चलें। ओके, कंप्रीहेंशन चेक के क्वेश्चन आंसर भेजूंगा मैं आज, बाद में करेंगे, लेसन करते हैं आगे। थर्ड पार्ट स्टार्ट करते हैं। After lunch time, Bipin Babu realized that he could not possibly carry on sitting at his desk and working. So lunch time, Bipin Babu realized that he could not carry on sitting on his bench, on his desk working because he was not feeling well. This had never happened in the 25 years. For the last 25 years, he was working in that firm, in that company. A firm is a big company which has two or more than two partners. He had a reputation for being a good worker. उसकी reputation कैसी थी? He was a good worker. अच्छा worker था. He was a good employee. For being a tireless, he had reputation of being tireless and conscientious worker. Conscientious worker meaning is given careful and correct. But today his head was in a whirl. जैसे चक्रवात आ जाता ना, सिर चकराता है, सिर घूम जाता है. His head was in whirl means उसका सिर चकरा रहा था. He was feeling giddiness. He was feeling dizziness. जब किसी का सिर चकरा रहा हो ना उसे कहते हैं he was feeling giddiness, dizziness. Back home at 2:30, Bipin Babu lay down in bed and tried to gather his wits together. At 2:30, he came back to his home and he tried to gather his wits together. Tried to gather his wits together. Together means to collect, इकट्ठा करना. Remember, together means यहाँ पे मीनिंग भी दे रखा था शायद. ये देखिए यहाँ पे मैं स्क्रॉल करता हूँ इसको, पेज को, साइड में आपकी बुक में मीनिंग दे रखा है. गैदर इज विट्स टुगेदर, इसका मीनिंग दे रखा है बेटा यहाँ पे. क्या मीनिंग है? मेक एन एफर्ट टू बिकम काम एंड थिंक क्लियरली. ही वॉज ट्राइंग टू बिकम काम. ही वॉज ट्राइंग टू थिंक. ओके, ही वॉज ट्राइंग टू रिकॉल अबाउट हिज विजिट टू रांची. वो याद करने की कोशिश कर रहा था. He knew that it was possible to lose one's memory through an injury in the head. उसे पता था कि अगर सिर में कोई चोट लग जाए तो इस टाइप की मेमोरी लॉस हो सकता है. But he did not make an effort to become calm and think clearly. Yes, it is given here. But he did not know of a single instance of someone remembering everything except one particular incident. But बिपिन चौधरी के साथ क्या प्रॉब्लम थी कि उसे बाकी सब कुछ याद था, बट एक पर्टिकुलर इंसिडेंट भूल गया था. वो पर्टिकुलर इंसिडेंट कौन सा था? विजिट टू रांची, एंड ए फेयरली रिसेंट एंड सिग्निफिकेंट वन एट दैट. और वो भी इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग थी. इम्पोर्टेंट बात कैसे भूल सकता है वो? और वो भी जो है, ही हैड वांटेड टू गो टू रांची, टू हैव गॉन देयर, डन थिंग्स. वो तो वहां जाना भी चाहता था, कुछ घूमना चाहता था. एंड नॉट टू रिमेंबर वाज समथिंग अटरली इम्पॉसिबल. और उसे उसके बारे में नहीं याद. ये तो बहुत ही ज्यादा मुश्किल बात है. इट्स वेरी इम्पॉसिबल थिंग. इट मस्ट नॉट बी हैपन विद हिम. ओके. एट 7:30 बिपिन बाबू सर्वेंट केम एंड अनाउंस्ड चुन्नी बाबू सर. 7:30 पे क्या हुआ? बिपिन बाबू का सर्वेंट आया और उसने अनाउंसमेंट की. ही टोल्ड हिम दैट चुन्नी बाबू हैज कम. सेज इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. और वो कह रहा है इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ही वांट टू मीट यू and it's very important. Okay, so Bipin Babu, he decided to meet Chunni Lal. Let's find out who is this Chunni Lal. At 7:30 Bipin Babu's servant, so in the evening his servant told him that Chunni Lal has come to meet you, and he's telling that it's very important. Bipin Babu knew what Chunni had come for. Bipin Babu knew the reason of coming of Chunni Lal because Chunni Lal had been at school with him. He was his old friend. He was his schoolmate. He had been having a rough time lately. उसका जो बुरे दिन चल रहे थे. Okay, just like meaning is given, having a lot of problems, and had been coming to see him about a job. And Chunni Lal was coming to meet. He was coming to meet Bipin Babu regularly. Okay, about a job. He had come to ask him about a job. Bipin Babu knew it was not possible to do anything for him, and in fact told him so. But Chunni kept turning up like a bad penny. जैसे खोटा सिक्का बार बार हमारे सामने आ जाता ना, इसी टाइप से चुन्नी लाल बार बार बिपिन बाबू के पास आ रहा था उससे हेल्प लेने के लिए. यहाँ पे मीनिंग भी दे रखा था, टर्निंग बैड पेनी, लाइक ए बैड पेनी. नहीं दिया हुआ, चलो कोई बात नहीं. यहाँ पे मीनिंग है, ओके दिया हुआ यहाँ पे मीनिंग, अपीयरिंग एट ए प्लेस वेयर वन इज नॉट वेलकम. हाँ जी, एक स्थान पर जाना जहाँ पर जो है उसका जो है वेलकम ना हो, ये दिया हुआ बेटा मैंने। बिपिन बाबू सेंट word for the note, only it was not possible for him to see Chunni now, but not in several weeks. बिपिन बाबू ने नौकर के थ्रू मैसेज भिजवा दिया कि मैं आपसे न केवल अब मिल पाऊंगा बट कई हफ्ते तक नहीं मिल पाऊंगा, फॉर सेवरल वीक्स। Okay. But as soon as the servant stepped out of the room, it struck Bipin Babu that Chunni might remember something about the 58 trips. But जैसे सर्वेंट बाहर जाने वाला था, तो बिपिन बाबू को लगा कि हो सकता है चुन्नी